my smart learners of this city school. Hope you are all fine and ready to learn. Here we are again with another exciting literacy class. The topic of today's lesson is letter sound M and letter sound D. The objectives of today's lesson are identify individual letter sound M and D. Trace and practice letter M and D. Say the letter sound with me. M, M, M. Come on, trace with me the letter M. Are you ready? Alright. Now start from the dot. Come down, down, down. Touch the line. Go up, up again and make one hump. Alright. Now come down, down, down. Touch the line. Stop. Go up again on the same line. Make one more hump. Come down, down, down. Touch the line and turn up. Well done. Let's practice one more time. The letter M. Okay, start from the second line. There is a big dot, right? Okay, start. Come down, down, down. Touch the line. Go up, up again on the same line and make one hump. Very good. Stop. Go up, up again. Make one more hump. Touch the line. Come down, down, down. Touch the line and turn up. Wow! Awesome practice, my nursery class. Oh, what's this? A lovely moon. Very good. Say the word with me. Moon. Moon. The letter sound M is at the beginning of this word. What's this? It's a map. It's a map. Yes, map. Say the word with me. Map. Very good. Now the letter sound M is at the beginning of this word. Yes. A map gives the exact location of a place. What's this? Something interesting. Can you guess? It's a worm. Say the word with me. Worm. Worm. The letter sound M is at the end of this word. Hey, someone is running. Who's this? A ram. Ram. Say the word with me. Ram. The letter sound M is at the end of this word. Ram. Hey, there is another letter sound. Are you ready to learn this? That's great. Okay, say the letter sound with me. D, D, D. Well done. Now trace with me the letter D. Okay? Start from the dot. Go up, up. Touch the second line. Make half circle. Come down, down, down. Touch the line. And go up, up again. Up, 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 up. Yes. Touch the top line and stop. Then come down, down, down. And touch the line and turn up. Well done, my nursery class. Come on, let's do it one more time. Hurry up. Start from the dot. Yes, touch the line. Very good. Make half circle. Touch the line. Go up, up, up again. Very good. And touch the top line. Stop. Then come down, down, down. Touch the line and turn up. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, who's this? A dog. Very good. A dog is here. And the letter sound D is at the beginning of this word. Dog. Say the word dog. Very good. Oh, what's this? Everyone knows. That's awesome. It's a drum. Very good. Somebody's beating the drum. Let's say the word drum. Drum. Very good. Now the letter sound D is at the beginning of this word. Uh-oh. Somebody is mad. Yes, somebody is mad. Say the word with me. Mad. Mad. The letter sound D is at the end of this word. Very good. Here's a challenge for you. What is this dog doing? Can you guess? Yes, he's digging. The letter sound D is at the beginning of this word. Dig. Very good. Let's do the wrap up of today's class. Alright, now today we have identified letter sound and letter sound D. We have learned letter and D vocabulary. And we have practiced tracing letter and D. Okay, here's a task for you. I'm sure you can do worksheet number 1 and 2. Alright. Bye-bye. See you soon, my lovely children.